Hello everyone, good morning here, or good afternoon or good evening, wherever parts of the world you are tuning in, guys. So this is in connection with my live yesterday, as what I've told you that our pet cat Reese was missing since 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, right? More than 2 weeks ago. And we are really trying our best to find him, to locate him. And though in the back of our mind, maybe someone has stolen him, but yes, we just did our best. And now today, I'm just so grateful, guys. I'm just so grateful. Really grateful that after, I think it's 16 days. 16 days, he came back home. I saw him at our back garden in there. So I was there, I was in the kitchen, and then I saw him there meowing. He's meowing very hard. And then we didn't grab him at first. We just say his name and then let him go near us. And so he came inside and now he ate his lunch. And he's now here drinking the water. So that's our pet cat, Reese. We are really, really happy to see him today, and he is in a good condition because I don't think he went far, because his fur is good and he doesn't have any dirt on his body. I think somebody just adopted him for more than 2 weeks. Look, he's crying. Oh. So guys, you see, why? What do you want? So you see, we love our cat. He is a son. He is like a son, a family to us. So when he didn't return on the evening that time, more than 2 weeks ago, we were so worried. So, and by the way, today is Thursday. I just want to invite you guys to our live webinar that is being held every Tuesday and Thursday, and 5 p.m. PDT, 1 a.m. UK time, and 8 a.m. Philippine time, guys. So check this out, because this is a life-changing opportunity. And you don't need to be a tech savvy, because we have a video-based training, easy to follow, and one-on-one mentoring. And this is very flexible, that you can do even while you are still working full-time, guys. So this is a life-changing opportunity. So why not check this out, guys, and see if this is the right fit for you. So thank you for watching, and kindly comment below where you are watching me from, so I can do a shout out on my next go live. So guys, have a nice day. Bye.